Don't throw away your old toothbrush. Use a knife to remove the bristles, making it completely clean. Take a dish sponge and cut off a small piece. Then, use a blade to make 3 small slits in it, about 1 centimeter deep. Pour glue into the slit and insert the toothbrush handle. Hold it in place until the glue dries. And that's it. This sponge works great for cleaning bottles and vases. I always keep one by the sink. It's perfect for reaching tricky spots. Once a year, try a trick I learned from a plumber to keep your shower in top shape for many years. Begin by unscrewing the shower hose from the shower head. You'll likely see limescale and sludge inside. Now, grab a regular kitchen sponge. This will be your secret tool. Cut off a thin piece, removing the rough side and trimming the edges to make it as thin as possible. Place the sponge in a small bowl and pour vinegar over it to soak for a few seconds. Vinegar's natural descaling properties make it perfect for this task. Next, insert the soaked sponge into the shower hose. You can use a straw to help push it all the way in. The water pressure will push the sponge through, flushing out the built-up limescale and dirt. This simple sponge trick will thoroughly clean your hose. For the shower head, you can remove any mold or limescale by adding a tablespoon of baking soda inside, followed by a little vinegar. Place the shower head in a sealed bag, adding a cup of vinegar. Secure the bag so the shower head is fully submerged. The reaction will help break down the limescale. Let it sit for 30 minutes. You'll see floating limescale bits inside. Afterward, reattach the shower head and run the water to flush out any remaining dirt. This method will deep clean your shower, prevent quick limescale buildup, and extend the life of your shower. Wash your shower glass with this sponge, and it will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't build up. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge, ensuring it's clean and new. Grab a dishwasher tablet, remove its protective film, and take out the protruding ball. Press it against the sponge and cut out a rectangle the size of the tablet. Remove the cut piece of sponge and insert the tablet in its place. The tablet works wonders during cleaning, as its active ingredients effectively combat limescale and residue. Wet the prepared sponge under running water, letting it soak thoroughly. Use it to clean the dirty shower glass. No additional detergents are needed. With every stroke, the tablet dissolves and removes buildup. Clean the glass using circular motions, then rinse with water. This method keeps your shower looking clean for longer. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass and adds shine to metal parts, making your bathroom look as good as new. The modified sponge lasts for multiple uses and costs only pennies to make.